Friends, let me begin with a simple but painful picture. A father in his 60s sits at the dinner table. His grown-up son talks over him, dismisses his advice, and even leaves the table without listening. The father stays silent, but inside, his heart is heavy. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many seniors feel this painful distance. Their children don't respect them the way they once did. But listen carefully. Losing respect is not permanent. It can be regained. Today, I'll give you 6 powerful, practical ways to regain your authority and respect as a parent without shouting, without fighting, and without bitterness. 1. Stop chasing approval. Command respect through calmness. The first mistake many parents make is chasing respect by lecturing, scolding, or demanding. The truth? The more you beg for respect, the less you get it. Instead, switch to calm authority. Speak less. But when you do, let your words carry weight. Don't react instantly to disrespect. Pause, breathe, and answer firmly but gently. Children respect those who don't lose control. Silence at the right time is more powerful than shouting. 2. Redefine boundaries. Respect yourself first. Ask yourself honestly, do I respect my own time, health, and boundaries? Because here's the secret. If you don't respect yourself, your children won't either. Practical step. Don't drop everything the moment they call. Don't sacrifice your rest, your hobbies, or your routines just to please them. When they see that you value yourself, they will start valuing you too. 3. Stop overparenting. Shift from control to guidance. After 60, your children are adults. The more you try to control, the more they rebel. Instead, shift your role from controller to God. Share advice as wisdom, not as orders. Use phrases like, from my experience, or here's what I learned the hard way. This transforms your presence from nagging parent to wise mentor. And trust me, that shift commands respect. 4. Live by example. Show strength, not just words. Children, no matter their age, are always watching. If you complain all the time, they'll dismiss you. But if you stay disciplined, healthy, and active, they'll admire you, even silently. Practical example. Start a simple routine, morning walk, light workout, reading, or volunteering. When your children see you leading yourself first, they'll respect your authority naturally. 5. Use emotional honesty. Without drama, most seniors make one of 2 mistakes, either staying silent about disrespect or exploding with anger. Instead, use emotional honesty. For example, son, when you walk away while I'm speaking, it hurts me. I don't need agreement, but I do need respect. Notice, it's not angry, not dramatic. It's clear, calm, and direct. This kind of honesty creates guilt, awareness, and eventually respect. 6. Rebuild respect through contribution, not complaints. Finally, stop constantly pointing out what your children don't do. Instead, contribute in ways that remind them of your value. Examples. Share wisdom stories from your life. Help your grandchildren with small lessons. Support in family decisions when asked, but don't impose. When your children see you as valuable, they naturally give back respect. Closing reflection. Friends, respect is not demanded. Respect is commanded. And it starts with how you carry yourself. Stop chasing. Start leading. Stop complaining. Start contributing. Stop controlling. Start guiding. If you practice these 6 steps, slowly but surely, your children will look at you differently. Not as someone old and ignored, but as someone wise, calm, and deeply respected. And before we move forward, let me say this. We read every single comment under our videos. If you face this painful situation with your children, please share your story below. Don't feel shy. We will read it and reply with our heart.